Welcome to today's tutorial on how to add sent GIFs to your favorites in Instagram chat. If you love expressing yourself with fun and animated GIFs, this feature will make it even easier to access your favorites. Let's dive into the steps. First, start by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you have the latest version installed to enjoy all the new features. Once you're in the app, look for the messages icon located at the top of the page. It looks like a paper airplane. Tap on it to enter your direct messages. Next, you'll want to open the chat that contains the GIF you want to save. Scroll through your conversations and select the one where you previously sent or received the GIF. This will bring up the chat history, allowing you to view all messages exchanged. Now, here comes the exciting part. Click and hold on the sent GIF that you wish to add to your favorites. A menu will pop up with several options. Look for the option labeled Favorite and tap on it. This action will save that GIF to your favorites, making it easily accessible for future chats. Adding GIFs to your favorites is a fantastic way to streamline your messaging experience on Instagram. Instead of searching for that perfect GIF each time, you can quickly pull from your saved collection. This not only saves time, but also enhances your conversations with friends. In summary, here's a quick recap of the steps. 1. Open Instagram app. 2. Click on messages icon at the top of the page. 3. Open the chat that contains the GIF. 4. Click and hold on the sent GIF and choose Favorite. That's all there is to it. With just a few simple steps, you can keep your favorite GIFs at your fingertips for all your future chats. Enjoy sharing those animated moments with friends and make your conversations even more lively. Thank you for watching and happy messaging.